All right, now we're going to go over a sample of actually testing the water. And this is one of the most important things you do because the disinfectant is what keeps the water safe for all your residents and all your guests. And even for you, if you go swimming in the pool, you have family members. But the thing you have to remember, always remember the instructions. So the first thing you do, who's done this before? Fill up this side to the mark right there at 9. What you're going to do, how far are you going to go down? 18 inches, which is about elbow height. Elbows all the way in. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to tap it out. Till I read about 9. And you know it's got that little curve? The bottom of the curve is where you're going to go to that 9 level, not the top. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take reagent 1. See what my instruction says? Yep, 5 drops of 1 and 5 drops of what? 2. Take the cap off. Now do I hold it sideways?
Straight up and down.
Straight up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Put this on. Now I'm still going to go ahead, cover it, swirl it around, get it mixed up. And then what am I going to do?
Add the other stuff. Number 2.
Number 2. Bottle number 2, and how many drops? 5. Once again, straight up and down, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put the top back on. Swirl it around. And now you're going to read your chlorine reading. And when you look at this chlorine reading, where do you want to hold this up to look at?
Sun.
The sun?
Sunlight.
Everybody agree? What if the sun's on the east or the west? Is that where you want to look?
Where the sun is.
Close. Always the northern horizon. And that is because, and the only explanation I can get is because that has the consistent refractions and reflections is the northern horizon. So everybody looks at it in the same direction. Because if you look at the sun, you might be getting different things depending on the different part of the country, whether northern, southern, east, or west. So you look up here, and I'm going to look at this one, and this chlorine is actually high. It's probably around the 8 level. So is that acceptable? No, it's not acceptable. So that is your free available chlorine that you would log on to your chemical worksheet.